Hello and welcome to the discourse. Today we are going to discuss the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is also known as the past progressive tense. We use the past continuous tense to describe such continuing actions or situations that were happening at some point in the past. There can be a number of situations where we may use the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is often used to refer to such continuing situations or conditions that existed in the past. As for example, the sun was shining every day during that summer. Now from this sentence it is clear that we are talking about some summer of the past in which the sun was shining every day. Again, as I spoke, the children were laughing at my clever jokes. Now let us see the sentence structure of the past continuous tense. A sentence can be formed in the past continuous tense by adding the past tense of to be, which is was or were, with the present participle of the verb. That is, the sentence structure of the past continuous tense will be subject plus past tense of to be, that is was or were, plus the present participle of verb, which is verb plus ing plus object. So this will be the sentence structure: subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing plus object. An example can be: I was having my dinner when she called. Now let us check the signal words for past continuous tense. The major signal words for past continuous tense are when and while. These are the two major signal words for past continuous tense. However, there can be a number of other signal words such as constantly or always or forever or every day or all the day. These words are also used with the past continuous tense in a sentence, but the major signal words are when or while. Now let us discuss the uses of the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe a past action in progress during another shorter action or at some specific time in the past. The action that we describe in the past continuous tense starts before the other shorter action or before the specific time, and it often continues after the shorter action or that specific time. The other shorter action is often described in the past simple past tense, while this longer action is described in the past continuous tense. As for example, I was sleeping when the cat spilled the milk. Or I was walking to the station when I met Sanjana. In the first sentence, the longer action is sleeping. I was sleeping. I was sleeping before the cat spilled the milk, and I continued to sleep after the cat spilled the milk. Again, in the second sentence, I was walking before I met Sanjana, and I was walking to the station, and I continued to walk towards the station after meeting Sanjana. So, the first use is to describe a past action in progress during another shorter action or time. An example for time can be, I was sleeping at 7 in the morning. I wake up late. At 7 I was sleeping. The second major use of the past continuous tense is in storytelling or book writing. The past continuous tense is often used to describe the background of a story or event, and the action is described in the past tense, in the simple past tense. As for example, the birds were singing, the sun was shining, and the children were laughing and playing in the garden. Sanjana sat on a bench and took her phone out. So the background is, it is a situation of a park in which the birds were singing, the sun was shining, and children were playing and laughing. And the main action is, Sanjana sat on a bench in that park and took out her phone. The third use of the past continuous tense is to describe temporary habits or such habits that happened more than we expect in the past. To do so, we often use words like always or forever or constantly. As for example, he was always leaving the tap running. Or she was constantly singing. The fourth use of the past continuous tense is to emphasize that an action of past lasted for a while. It took some time. To emphasize that an action of past lasted for a while. As for example, I was working in the garden all the day. Or she was dancing all the night. So these are the uses of the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is to describe past action in progress during another shorter action or at specific point of time. Past continuous tense is also used in storytelling. We use past continuous tense to describe the background of an event or action, while the action is described in the simple past tense. Again, past continuous tense is used to describe temporary habits or such habits that happened more than we expect in the past. And we also use past continuous tense to emphasize that an action of past lasted for a while or it took some time. Now let us see some simple examples of the past continuous tense. What was your friend doing when you called him the last time? The answer can be, my friend was having dinner when I called him the last time or last evening. Another example can be, where did you live when you were a child? The answer can be, I was living with my parents in Pune or in whichever city you were living when I was a child. Another example can be, what were you doing at 7 o'clock in the morning? The answer can be, I was practicing yoga at 7 in the morning. So these are the uses and examples of the past continuous tense. We will continue to discuss other tenses of the verbs. Please like and share this video and please subscribe to the discourse. Thank you.